Place your velvet sequined fabric on fold, measuring widthwise 14 inches and lengthwise 17 inches. Rule a line across and cut out the rectangular shape. On the plain velvety area of the fabric, mark the head circumference divided by 2. Here it is 11 inches. On the 11 inches point, sew a straight line of 0.5 inch. Cut out the corner there and continue sewing other areas by 0.5 inch. Highlight the center fold with a fabric marker, a chalk or a pencil. Come in with your thread and needle and starting from the wrong side of the fabric, create gathers on the straight line. On reaching the end, sew backwards again to the beginning to secure the gathers. Stop your gathers about 1 inch before the hem of the cap. Knot multiple times and this area is done. Leave out the top area flat as shown and we go ahead to gather the center back. Starting from the corner as shown, gather along the middle seam line all the way to the top. On reaching the end point, create multiple knots again and we are done. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.